Today I will show you how to create a social media poster in Canva. This will be particularly helpful if you wish to become a content creator or a freelancer or pursue digital marketing. It can also be helpful for small businesses to promote their products online on their own. So first open Canva and click on this icon social media. Next click on Facebook post. It will automatically open the canvas in appropriate size for a Facebook post. Then go to uploads and click on upload files to upload your stock image. I will use a coffee mug as an example to create a promotional post for selling coffee mugs. Then we will select the image and click on BG remover. Please note that some of Canva's features like BG remover are for its pro version, where you will see a small crown against it. There is a 30 days free trial for Canva Pro, so do use it to explore these pro features. Now click on edit and go to Magic Studio. Click on background generator. Here we can give a prompt and Canvas AI will create a background accordingly. I have given this simple prompt to create a scenic hilly scene as background. It will then give you 4 choices and you can then select any one you like. You can also resize the image accordingly. However, since the image is not proportional to the default canvas, we will use another feature of Magic Studio called Magic Expand to fill up the empty space. Again, you will get 4 options. Choose any one you like. Then again we will go to Magic Studio and click on Magic Grab to isolate the coffee mug from the background, which will allow us to edit only the coffee mug separately. Next, we will resize the coffee mug to make it look proportional to the background. Next, we will insert a brand logo which I have already uploaded and select it and place it on the coffee mug. Then by pressing the shift key, we will select both the coffee mug and the logo to group it together. Next, we will duplicate the coffee mug by selecting the mug and clicking on this plus icon. Then we will place it appropriately to make it look one behind the other. Then we will select the second mug and again go to Magic Studio and then click on Magic Edit and give a simple prompt to change the color to green. Select the one you like and then click on Done. Next we will select the green mug and right click on it and go to Layer and click on Send Backward. Then we will also put a logo on the green mug by duplicating the earlier logo. We will then again duplicate the first white mug to create one more color of the mug. But this time we will use this feature called Ask Canva, which can do a similar role like Magic Edit. Personally, I like the Magic Edit option, but I am showing you both the ways. You can try any one which you prefer. So click on Ask Canva and write your desired prompt. Resize it and send it backward by using the layer option. Next, we will click here in position and select all the elements except the background by pressing shift key and select the elements. Then we will group them. This will enable us to move all the elements like the mug logos together and maintain same size. Next, we will go to elements and type coffee beans and select the photo to add it to our image. Then resize the image and click on BG remover to remove its background. Then we will crop it to make it look like it is splashing inside the mug. Next, we will add some stylish text to the image. To do that, we will go to apps and search Text Studio Maker and select this style called Angeline Regular and type our text. We can also change the alignment here and we can increase or decrease letter spacing or the line height as per our requirement. Next, we will click on Add to Design and resize it appropriately. We can also change the color of the text by clicking here and choose a color of our choice. There is another way we can add text without using any external app. To do that, we will click here in text and click on any style to create a text box. Here we will type our tagline for the coffee mugs. We can also change the font style and I have chosen DM Sans. Next, we can also add effects to this tagline by clicking on effects. I will select outline and also change the outline color to white. Next, let us make the text a little proportional and place it at an appropriate place in the image. We can also see how the poster looks till now by clicking on full screen. Next, we place the logo for branding by selecting it from uploads. We can also round the corners as per our need by adjusting here. Next, we will add our call to action element. I will add an order now element by going to elements and typing order now. You can also add other CTAs like call now, buy now, etc. whichever is your goal. I can change the color of the order now elements from here. You can also enter a link to a website or page if you want the target audience to visit a particular website for placing orders. To do that, first right click on order now or the CTA which you have selected and then go to link and enter the link of that page and then click done. Here you can see if we click on order now, it will open the Amazon page of that particular product. We can now download our product poster and post it on Facebook to promote our product. So, if you found the video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.